Stop making Wi-Fi harder than it has to be. If you're looking for a mesh Wi-Fi 6 system that just works in 2026 without a computer science degree, you've landed on the right video. We've spent weeks testing the latest and greatest, focusing on effortless setup, reliable performance, and an intuitive experience that won't leave you pulling your hair out. This isn't about the fastest or the most feature-rich for hardcore techies. This is about the absolute best for beginners. And while we've got 5 fantastic contenders, one system stood out for its pure, unadulterated simplicity and performance for anyone new to mesh. Stick around because you do not want to miss our top pick. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have the Asus ZenWiFi AX. This is a powerful Wi-Fi 6 system that delivers excellent performance and coverage. Its best feature for a beginner is that while it can be incredibly advanced if you want it to be, it offers a surprisingly straightforward setup process right out of the box, giving you robust Wi-Fi without much fuss. It's for the beginner who might, down the line, want to dip their toes into more advanced network settings, but wants rock-solid performance from day one. However, its honest flaw is that the sheer number of advanced options tucked away in the app or web interface can still feel overwhelming if you accidentally stumble into them, potentially defeating that beginner-friendly vibe if you're not careful. Moving from a system that offers potential complexity to one that screams raw power and coverage, our number 4 pick is the Netgear Orbi RBK852. If you have a large home and need consistently fast Wi-Fi 6 everywhere without thinking about it, Orbi is often the answer. Its dedicated tri-band backhaul means blazing fast speeds between nodes, which translates directly to incredible performance for all your devices. This system is for the beginner who simply wants the fastest, most reliable whole-home Wi-Fi possible and is willing to pay a premium for a true set-and-forget experience. The one honest flaw? It's significantly more expensive than many competitors, and Netgear's app, while improved, still tries to upsell you on additional security features, which can feel a bit much after dropping serious cash on the hardware. If Orbi's price tag gave you pause, our next pick might just be the sweet spot you're looking for. Coming in at number 3 is the TP-Link Deco XE75. This system takes a giant leap forward by incorporating Wi-Fi 6E, meaning it has a dedicated 6 GHz band for backhaul, giving it incredible future-proof speed and efficiency between nodes, even in busy Wi-Fi environments. The Deco app is notoriously user-friendly, guiding you through setup with ease. This is perfect for beginners who want excellent performance, future-proofing, and a genuinely intuitive setup without spending a fortune. However, an honest flaw is that while the system as a whole is fantastic, the individual node's maximum throughput isn't always as high as some of the more premium, much pricier options, so if you're standing right next to a single node, don't expect absolute top-tier speeds, but that's a minor quibble for the overall value. While the Deco offered great value, what if you want even less fuss and even more it just works factor? Our runner-up, at number 2, is the Eero Pro 6E. Eero built its reputation on extreme simplicity, and the Pro 6E continues that legacy with seamless setup and an incredibly clean, intuitive app experience. It also boasts Wi-Fi 6E for that dedicated 6 GHz backhaul, ensuring strong performance. This system is tailor-made for the beginner who wants genuine plug-and-play ease, reliability, and excellent integration if you're already in the Amazon ecosystem. The honest flaw here is that Eero locks some more advanced security features, like ad blocking and deeper parental controls, behind a paid Eero Secure subscription. For a premium mesh system, paying extra for these common features can feel a bit stingy. Eero sets a high bar for simplicity, but for pure, unadulterated beginner-friendliness, one system takes the crown, especially if you're already in a certain ecosystem. Our number 1 pick for the best mesh Wi-Fi 6 router of 2026 for beginners is the Google Nest WiFi Pro. This system is the definition of effortless. Setup is done entirely through the Google Home app, making it incredibly straightforward, and the Wi-Fi 6E connectivity delivers solid, reliable speeds for everyday use. Its sleek, minimalist design blends into any home. This is undeniably for the absolute beginner, especially those already embedded in the Google ecosystem with smart home devices, who just want a Wi-Fi system that they can set up in minutes and then completely forget about. Its honest flaw? For power users, the lack of advanced settings is almost infuriating. There are virtually no granular controls, no USB ports for network storage, and you are fully locked into the Google Home app for any management. But for a true beginner, that simplicity is exactly why it wins. So there you have it, the best mesh Wi-Fi 6 routers of 2026, specifically for beginners. We've linked to all our top picks in the pinned comment and description below, along with the best prices we could find right now, so make sure to check those out before you buy. If this video helped you untangle the world of mesh Wi-Fi, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and let us know in the comments which system you're leaning towards. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.